We move on to other more positive things in nijisanji, such as Petra's lovely tale in her 3D debut. Petra belongs to the Obsidia group of nijisanji, which previously housed Selen Tatsuki. Petra would go on stream to do something very special for her fans. Petra would attempt to twerk while singing Diamond City Lights. I am very proud to say that I've clipped out all the parts where Petra is singing and twerking and letting out panting noises during her performance. If you enjoy penguins who are out of breath, you've come to the right place. Enjoy!
And like him rushing inside. Don't look! Can you see? They help you hide. Oh, I can do this! Yeah, well, diamond city lights illuminate what's inside and all the. Oh my God! It's their eyes. Don't cry. Look in my eyes and you might find shimmering light that will guide you through the night. When gray skies take colors away, I'll paint just like the magic back to on the time progress. It's so easy to forget. So there it goes. You bring me to life. Oh, we'll never have to be alone. Diamond city lights, illuminating what's inside, and all the love here by your side. Decoding these illusions, you're the eye. Rainbow colors shine, invite us to take a ride. So I'm alive and you might find a shimmering light. She's on fire, time alive now. Let's go to the place. Let's go to where our happiness be. Like to think we could be. Double lovers here by your side, decoding these emotions. You're the ocean. I wanna dive into tonight. Rainbow color skies, let us to take a ride. I know time will, 'cause it only leads me high. Don't cry, look in my eyes and you might find shimmering light. Rainbow sky, but join your eyes with me with mine. So let it shine. This is the most humiliating thing I've ever done. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh. Please. Yeah!
I hope you enjoyed the lovely Petra as she mouth breathes herself to victory. Petra's 3D debut would also have a surprise guest in the form of Elira Pendora. This is one of Elira Pendora's more recent appearances after her black screen stream caused controversy.
Ooh, it's love game. そうさ切ないリフレイン聞いて思う楽しい夜にしよう淡い色で聞くはずがない Falling hard 震わせてもっと loving game 見えるのは愛し合いたい二人だけさ Falling hard Falling hard このうげな愛水に吸い込まれそうになるきらめく星座みたい並んだ点と点が線になる Yeah 3D I jumped out of the TV to come and smell your tail Oh you're so cute you're not a piece of paper anymore Oh you're so cute It's love game It's love game
Did you enjoy Elira singing? I did, and I think I can fix her. Moving on, we talk about a nijisanji clipper. This clipper, RRAT Writing, would announce that he would no longer clip nijisanji and would be deleting all nijisanji clips from both of his channels. In light of recent events, I will no longer clip nijisanji and I will be deleting all clips on nijisanji on both RRAT Writing CH and RRAT Clip CH. I will be deleting the clips on the 31st of March. Please save any of the clips by then. Much like all of you, I used to love nijisanji so much especially as someone who has always been pro-unity. Nijisanji EN's family dynamics where everyone can be themselves and supportive of each other as equals regardless of subcounts used to be what I considered the gold standard. But current events have shown that the image of a happy family simply was not true, at least not anymore. And no matter what they do, that family is now eternally broken. It hurts me to have to delete clips of Rosemi and Oliver Sensei, talents I still love and have high faith that they are innocent. But just having those clips up is a support to the company, and I do not wish to be a part of that. As for the future, to admit this entire event has killed a lot of my motivations as a clipper. I already have been clipping less and less, because I have my mangas to work on, and I already will have to apologize for missing the January release date. I do not hate any of the Nijisanji talents, not even those who have done wrong in the past month, and I do not condone any attacks on them. I am very disappointed with them, and to be honest, for a while, I was clinging to a hope that things would get better. 2024 proved without a shadow of a doubt how wrong I was, and so I cannot in any good conscience continue to support this company. I hope the current Nijisanji talents can find better paths going forward, and for those who have done wrong, I hope they make efforts to mend their mistakes. And that was Oboritai writing. If you want to save any of the clips, you better save up right now. We end the video with an announcement from Regloss, who are planning to release their second single since their debut. The Regloss single will be dropping on the 24th of March 2024, so stay tuned. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. This is Rex Nebula, signing out.